Hi, it's Tracy from Ayrshire Food Hub. Today I'm going to show you how to do some cuttings of herbs. Simply take a cutting of about 3 or 4 inches. Now you want to cut just below where the leaves join the stem. That's called the node. Next you want to take the tip out of the plant. You don't have to be too exact about that. Next, just strip the majority of the leaves. And just leave the leaves at the top. Finally, just plant the cutting in some healthy soil. You don't need fancy growth hormone or compost, just stick it in. And don't forget to use the leaves for cooking. Especially good in roast potatoes, I think. It's not just rosemary, this is a sage plant that I've done before. I'll be back next time for more tips and tricks.